It's Monday the 8th in the afternoon. We've just left Killin, Maragawan campsite. So we're all topped up, emptied up, etc. We found a wee lay-by on the side of Loch Earn, and that's the A85 just behind us there. We're parked there, but I'm going to have a look and see if there's any flatter pitches. It's quite a long lay-by, so we'll have a wee wander, see what we can find. Well, as you can see, there's quite a few caravans here, but I'll tell you something, there's a flatter pitch here, so I think I'll go and move the van to here. It's a lot flatter, wider, and more open view. Now I think that camping permit is the opposite side of this lay-by. I'm hoping anyway. So here we go. I've moved. Again, I'll leave the 3 words. Carol's thinking of getting her wetsuit on and going in for a swim.
How did you get down there for that?
Jump. Can you? How nice is this?
This is us leaving St. Fillan's, Loch Earn. What? Springer having a poop? Bit of a potholey lay-by, but as you can see, beautiful view. Absolutely lovely. Nice doggy. And we are now back on the A85, heading towards Perth. Driver in situ.
Again.